Welcome to Gymboree Coaching and Consulting. Thank you for subscribing to my weekly tips for change management initiatives. I'm here to support your ability to successfully adopt an approach that will support the change and help you, your team, and organization flourish authentically. Change management requires in-depth knowledge on the dynamics of effective change, understanding how individuals learn and adapt, and why many may resist change. We also need to look at how to enable teams to work together, as there is always a continued focus on performance. Change management requires an understanding of how to assess organizational readiness, of team dynamics, and how to lead the change choosing the right approach. Change consulting tip number 2. Plan for and create short-term wins and visible performance improvements. By recognizing and rewarding employees involved in the improvements, you can show that progress is clearly being made towards the ultimate goal.
Created using Powtoon.